Morning to all. In this video, we are going to see the Unit 3 clustering concept. From that clustering concept, the first topic is distance measure. Before we are going to the topic, the distance measure, first we have to understand what is clustering, how it is done, what is the purpose of clustering. The clustering means is a process of grouping a similar items. The similar items, like if you can consider, if there is a bag containing the dog and cat images, you need to categorize the dog and cat image separately. So while we are grouping, what we will do, we will put together the dog images in one cluster, and another cluster it may contains the cat images. It should be different, that each and every object in a cluster that should be different from the other cluster objects. There are two types of clusters are there, intercluster and intra-cluster. Intercluster means the object similarity should be very high. The intra-cluster is the object similarity will be low only. The objects are similar objects are identified with the help of the distance measures. We have to measure the distance between the objects in the each and every clusters. You can consider this example, the natural grouping of these objects. So there are variety of images are given. How this is going to be grouped? Okay. The clustering basically is a subjective. In that here, Symphon's family it is grouped separately, and school employees also grouped separately. Then females and males. So like this only we have to group it. We have to can identify the similarity with this. The in this video the similarity is very hard to define, but we know it when we see it. Both the dog is also have curly hair. Then that particular girl also is having a curly hair. Okay. Then only the face structure is only will get changed. But the belongings means the similarity means the hairs and all it is similar. But that is a human being and the animals. And in this slide, which will define about the distance measures. Like you can consider that there are two objects, O1 and O2, from the universe of possible objects. The dissimilarity between object 1 and object 2, that is denoted in a real numbers. Then it will be represented like a distance measures of O1, O2. Here you can consider the two symbols. The having a similarity differences distance measures is 0.23. Like that, Peter, Pieter. Okay, what is the difference? Then like that for the thumb impression. What kind of properties should be used in the distance measures means either we can go with the symmetric property or constancy of self similarity, positivity, triangular inequality. These are the some of the properties. If it is a symmetry property, then it will be represented as d of a comma b equal to d of b comma a. Then constancy, then positivity means if both are equal. Then triangular inequality means if it is less than or equal to, then it will be represented like then the measurement how it is measured means you can consider the first symmetry property d of a comma b equal to d of distance measures of object b comma object a. We could claim Alex looks like Bob, but Bob looks nothing like Alex. Then the next one is the constancy. The constancy is, you can claim that Alex looks more like Bob than Bob does. Then positivity. Positivity is, you can consider the object in your world that are different, but you cannot tell apart. And next one is the triangular property. The triangular property, you can claim that Alex is very like Bob and Alex is very like Kerr, but Bob is very like unlike Kerr. This is the measurement, how the distance measures the properties in that. This is a reference book. Thank you.